Worried about using too much mobile data? Let's go over how to manage cellular data usage on your iPhone so you stay in control. Before we start, hit subscribe so you don't miss more simple iPhone tips like this. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap cellular or mobile data depending on your region. Step 3. Scroll down to see a list of apps. You can switch off cellular data for any app that you don't want using your data. Step 4. If you want to reset your data usage stats, scroll to the bottom and tap Reset Statistics at the start of your billing cycle. Step 5. You can also tap cellular data options at the top to enable low data mode, which helps reduce background data use. And that's it. Now you're in charge of how your apps use data, so you can save where it matters. Hit subscribe for more easy iPhone tips to help you make the most of your device.